Good morning, students. Welcome to 3rd standard maths class. I am your maths ma'am. My name is Rajeswari. See, this is your 3rd standard first term book. Okay, volume 2. This book contains totally 3 subjects. First one mathematics, second one science, third one social science. Totally you have 3 subjects in this book. See ma, this is your index page. First unit geometry, second lesson numbers, third one patterns lesson, fourth measurement lesson, fifth one time lesson, sixth one information processing. Okay, so totally in this term you have 6 units. Okay, how many chapters? 6 chapters. First chapter is geometry. Okay, now let us start the class. See, unit 1 geometry. What's our first one? Geometry. Okay, in this topic we will learn about shapes. Okay, see ma, first one you have pictures, basic shapes. These basic shapes already you learned in your second standard class. Okay, now we will see. Okay ma, first one square, second one rectangle, third one triangle, fourth one circle. Okay, these 4 shapes are also called what? Basic shapes. Okay, next you have one activity. This is your first page. See, let us know the shapes of object around us. Okay, identify the shapes of the object and circle the squares with red. Okay, square shape means we will give what color? Red color circle. Okay, next rectangles with green color. Okay, rectangle shape means we will put a circle mark using what color? Green color. Okay, next triangles with yellow color. Okay, triangle picture means you will give what color? Yellow color. So triangle picture means you put a yellow color circle. Okay, put a circle using yellow color pencil. And circles with blue colors. Okay, circle shape means you give blue color circle. Okay ma'am, next connect the objects of similar shapes. Okay, after you connect the object. Okay, for example, see, what is this? This is scale. Okay, wooden scale. What is this shape ma'am? It is look like what? Rectangle shape. Okay, so see here, what is this? Rectangle shape. So rectangle means what color? Using green color. After you put a circle mark. Next, see this one, what shape? Triangle shape. Okay, so triangle shape means you give yellow color, put a circle mark. Okay, next one, chessboard. This one what shape ma? Look like a square. Okay, so square means you use red color. After put a circle mark. Take one red color pencil, you put a circle mark. Next one plate. Okay, so what is this shape? It is look like a circle. Okay, circle means blue color. In the same way also these 4 shapes. After what you do? Connect the object of similar shapes. Similar shapes you put connected. Okay, put a line. Okay ma, see for example this one rectangle. Okay, where is rectangle? In second row. Blackboard is rectangle, so put one line. Okay, and match this one. Okay ma. Next triangle. Okay, where is triangle shape? This signal. Okay, so put a line. Next this one, what shape? This is square shape. Okay, where is the square? Here is the square shape photo frame. Okay, so put a line here. Next this one circle. Where is the circle? In second row. This clock is a circle shape, so what you do? Put one line. Okay, okay ma, in this page you have homework. Okay, what you do? Put a circle mark after you connect the objects using separate colors. Okay, see ma, next topic, construction of 2D shapes. Okay, see, let us understand the properties of 2D shapes. See, we have one picture. What is this shape? You know very well. What is this? This is a square. Okay, see, a square has 4 sides. How many sides? See, this line is side. Okay, see, 1 2 3 4. Okay, a square has 4 sides. Already you know, you learned in your second class level. Okay, next all the 4 sides are equal. See, a square has 4 sides. That 4 sides also equal. See, this length and this length, this one, this one. 4 lengths also equal. So only all the 4 sides are equal. 4 sides and 4 equal sides. This two properties have means that is a square. Okay. Next one, let us make a square by folding a paper by following the given step. Okay. Now let us make a square using one paper. Seema, take one paper. Okay, what is this shape? It is look like a rectangle. Okay, this rectangle paper using we create one square shape. Okay, so what you do? Take one rectangle sheet. After you fold one corner. Okay, see this one rectangle sheet. This corner you take and likewise you fold. Okay, like this you fold means you will get one triangle shape. Okay, after this bottom, okay, this bottom again one time you fold. Okay, like this you fold. After you tear this piece, this rectangle, small rectangle size you tear. Okay, tear after you open means you will get one square shape. See ma, that small rectangle I tear. After you remove it, now open means you will get what? One square shape paper. Okay. See what is this square? How do you say square? Because it is 4 sides. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 side. After all the sides are equal. See this length and this length. 4 sides length also equal. Okay. So this is called what? Square. Okay ma. See ma, this square paper, after you fold the corners. See, already I fold, see, this corner and this corner. You fold means you will get one line. Okay, see, here one line. This one what? Look like a triangle. Okay, now you open. Okay ma, you will get one line. Okay, this line is called diagonal of a square. Okay, opposite corner join means we will get one line. That line is called what? Diagonal. Okay, in the same way also you join this opposite side. Okay, again one time you fold means likewise you fold means again you will get one more diagonal. See ma, now you will get again one diagonal. Okay, see here, this opposite side join means one diagonal. After this opposite side join means again you will get one more diagonal. Okay, so totally how many diagonals in the square? Two diagonals. See, this fully one diagonal and this fully one diagonal. So totally two diagonals in a square. Same opposite corner join means you will get one diagonal. Again this opposite corner join means you will get one more diagonal. Okay, so totally you have how many diagonals in a square? Two diagonals, and this two diagonals length also same. See, this line and this line, two length also same. Okay, so in a square, diagonals also equal in length. Okay, this length and this length, two length also equal. So in a square, we have equal diagonals. Next, take page number 2. You have two important points. See, the crease in the middle of the square is called the diagonal of the square. Okay, see, already I told this line is what? Diagonal of the square. Next, you can note that the diagonal divides the square into two triangles. The diagonals divides the square into how many triangles? Two triangles. Okay. See ma, this one square. Now this one diagonal divides a square into two triangles. Okay, now fold after tear this part. So one diagonals divide this square into how many triangles? Two triangles. Okay, this one diagonal, this one I tear. Now you will get how many triangles? Two triangles. This one triangle, this one triangle, and this one again one triangle. Okay, we will get how many triangles? Two triangles. So this is the meaning of this line. You can note that the diagonals divides the square into two triangles. One diagonal divides the square into how many triangles? Two triangles. See now, finally, properties of square. First point, a square has four sides. See, a square has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Next, all the four sides are equal. This length is equal. So, only four sides are equal. Next, square has four corners. See, this edge is called corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a square has 4 corners. A square has 2 diagonals. See, already I said this one diagonal, this one diagonal. So a square has 2 diagonals. The 2 diagonals are equal. Okay, this line length and this line length, both also equal. So the 2 diagonals are equal. Okay, ma? Next topic, rectangle. Take a rectangle piece which was kept aside, observe its sides. Okay, see, take one rectangle sheet, opposite sides are equal. See ma, here, take one rectangle sheet paper. After, what you do, see, observe these sides. Now one time I fold this one. Okay, likewise you fold. Fold after, you open and observe it. Okay ma, center from you have one line. This line divide into two squares. So this side and this sides are equal. So opposite sides are equal. Again you fold this like. Okay ma. Again you open and see means you will get one. See upside one a long triangle rectangle. Again here one rectangle. Okay, so these two sides are equal. So only opposite sides are equal. Okay, see fold likewise. This part and this parts are equal. Left and right you fold means this part and this parts are equal. So now we get opposite sides are equal. Hence in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. See ma, next fold the opposite corners as we did in the square. Okay, after you observe. See, opposite corner join after you observe. See here, opposite corner join after you observe. So we will get two diagonals. Okay, this one diagonal and this one diagonal. Okay, now diagonals are equal in rectangle. This length and this length you measured means these two lengths are same. Okay, so diagonals are equal in rectangle. Next we have the properties. See ma, next one, properties of rectangle. Okay, see the first point, rectangle has four sides. See this one shape of a rectangle. This rectangle has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 sides. Next point, two opposite sides are equal. See here, in a square all the sides are equal, but rectangle opposite sides only equal. See left and right. This length are same. Okay, that one very short. Next, up means down. Okay, so this length are equal. See this one long, this one also long. So left means right. So opposite sides are equal. Up means down is the opposite sides. So up and down sides are equal. So rectangle has, sorry, two opposite sides are equal. That one second point. Next, rectangle has four corner. Okay ma, see this one rectangle. How many corner? 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally how many corners? 4 corners. That one third point. Next fourth point, rectangle has two diagonals. Okay, see here already I told opposite corner join on, put here one line. Okay, you will get two diagonals. This is called diagonals. So how many diagonals? Rectangle has two diagonals. Next, the two diagonals are equal. This two diagonals length also equal. Okay. Next, properties of triangle. Okay, now see ma, observe the sides and corners of the triangle. See here rectangle given, that one wrong. What is this? Triangle. Okay ma, see here observe the corners. Okay, a triangle has three sides and three corners. See 1, 2, 3. This one what? Sides. Okay, how many corner? This point is corner. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so how many corners? 3 corners. Okay ma, cut the paper and make the triangles of different kind. Okay, take a sheet after you cut into triangles. See ma, here we do not mention the sides length. Okay, this may be equal or may not be equal. Sides equal or not equal. Okay, so we do not mention that sides. Okay, see next, isosceles triangle. Okay, see here, observe this triangle. This one also one triangle. This one also one triangle. This one also triangle. Okay, see everything has three sides, three corners. But see the length. Okay, see this length and this length. See here This two are short, this one very long. Okay, so only these sides may be equal or may not be equal. Equal irukkalam, equal illame irukkalam. Okay ma. Now we have the names of the triangles. Okay, see this one, these two sides only observe L type coming. Okay, so likewise triangles are called isosceles triangle. Okay, next Seema, this length, second length, third length. Okay, three sides are equally coming. So likewise comes that one equilateral triangle. Okay, next one scale and triangle. See this length and this length. Next this one very long. Okay, this type of triangle is called scale and triangle. Okay, here we do not mention the sides length. Okay. We mention the sides means it has some names. See L type means that one isosceles triangle. Three length also, three sides length also equal means that one equilateral triangle. Next one side is very long and this one is very short means that one called what? Scale and triangle. Okay, these are the types of triangles. Seema, properties of triangle very easy. A triangle has three sides and three corners. That's all. Sides may be equal or may not be equal. Okay, that's all the properties of triangle. Next one, properties of a circle. Circle is a closed curve. See what is this shape? It is a circle. It is a closed curve. Okay. See, this everything is a curved line. Okay, ma. So curved line means what? வளைந்த line. Okay, ma. வளைந்த கோடு. Okay, வளைஞ்சு வருது இல்லையா? So அது என்னது? Curved line. Straightly draw means that is a straight line. Okay, this one straight line, this one straight line. Okay, ma. In square and triangle, see for example, here see straight line. This one also straight line. Everything straight line. So it is a what? Straight line. Here we have a curved line. Okay, so valanja line. So only this is called closed curve. Okay, next bangles use and we can create neatly one circle. Okay, see here bangles use and we can draw one circle. Okay ma. Next we have the properties of circle. Very easy. Circle has no sides. Okay, here sides available or no? We cannot mention the sides. Why? Because it is a curved line. Okay, straight line means only we mention the sides, but it is a curved line, so we cannot mention the sides. So circle has no sides. Okay, sides available means only we will get the corner. Okay, so second point, circle has no corners because here sides not available, so corners also not available. So circle has no corners. Okay, next circle has a center point. Okay, circle has what? Center point. See what is this? We have one center point. Okay, so this one what? Circle has one center point. Okay ma, and it is a closed curve. Okay, totally we have three properties. Next for your practice fill-ups available. See, triangle has dash corners. Same or triangle has how many corners? See, triangle has how many corners? Yes, triangle has 3 corners. Okay, you write here 3. Okay, next 4 sides of a square or dash. Okay, in a square 4 sides are what? Equal or not equal? Equal. Okay, so 4 sides of a square are equal. Okay, third one, circle has dash sides. In a circle we have a sides? No. So circle has no sides. Okay. Next, rectangle has dash diagonals. In a rectangle we have how many diagonals? Same. What answer? Yes, we have 2 diagonals. Okay, so rectangle has 2 diagonals. Next, fifth one, opposite sides of a rectangle or dash. Okay, in a rectangle opposite sides are what? Yes, in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. So what you write here? Equal. Next, circle has dash center point. In a circle we have how many center point? Only one center point. Okay ma? So these 6 fill-ups you can write it in your note. Okay. See ma, first one answer, triangle has 3 corners. Next, 4 sides of a square are equal. Okay, equal. Circle has no sides. Okay, next rectangle has dash diagonals. How many diagonals? 2 diagonals. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. 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 Next circle has dash center point. How many center point? Only one. So one center point. Okay ma. So these everything you properly read. Okay ma. Today I taught you what are the things: properties of square, properties of rectangle, triangle and circle. After this fill ups. Okay. Thank you. Next class we will see.